Oh.
Awesome. Awesome, man. I'm glad I got this one. And this is honestly part one. I will even say it on camera. I've been fighting to get it. I did just get married, and I've been fighting to try to get out there to get to Utah to you.
No,
Utah, Denver.
Denver.
But if I get out there, I'm trying to get this so I can get a part two because you have a gym out there.
I do.
You have a gym out there. It's awesome. Man, I'm gonna put the links down there too. I've been watching it. It's a nice gym. Make sure y'all get out there.
Calisthenics powerlifting gym in Colorado.
That's tough, man. That is tough. I know I want to wrap it up, but I do want to hit on that. How did you get to that point of getting a gym? I mean, a lot of people can't take that step to having that's a lot of money.
It's a lot of money.
I don't know about the finance part. I won't get in your pocket. No. But still, that's a big.
So it's not just me. It's not just me who owns it. I'm not the only owner. So I have 2 other people who own it with me.
So you got 3 people.
Yeah. So me and my 2 brothers, Shazan and Safraz.
Tough. Shout out to them.
Shout out to them. We started this brand called Iron Fortress.
Tough.
And when I moved back to Colorado, so they have their own business that they run, another business outside of the gym. So what we did was mix my platform, because I had a pretty big following.
You got a big following,
and I had a decent connection to the calisthenics community.
Yep.
So it was them with their financial capital, with my platform.
Yep.
And that's how we merged the ideas. And I had, calisthenics is not big in Colorado. It's not like.
It's not. Of course, I've never been.
It's not like Houston. It's not like Cali. It's not. It's not. Especially how we do it out here. It's not like that. So I brought that flavor.
Okay.
I'm saying.
They probably look at you like you crazy.
Exactly.
So
what we did was we did free workouts every day, or not every day, every week, for like almost 7 months.
Because you got to get people in. You got to people understand what y'all doing. So you mixing with that gym, you listen to powerlifting with calisthenics back and forth. Way to calisthenics, you're doing pull-ups, and then you're doing deadlifts, you're doing heavy squats. You combine everything. That hybrid level is a different level.
It is.
It changes your mentality in your body a lot. Oh yeah.
Well, the thing is, like, bro, like you're constantly in a fight of trying to be good at everything, which is hard.
You can't be good at everything.
You can't. But it's nice. You get to mix up the flavors of the workout a little bit.
Right.
I'm saying one day I might, like today, I'm hitting reps.
Yep.
And then tomorrow I might go hit some weights.
That's
and then
tough.
the day after that I might go, I don't know, do some running with some boxing, with some, I don't know. It's just keeping you becoming a full developed athlete.
Which I like. Okay, all right, man. It's an awesome interview, man. I've been waiting for this a long time. Bro, like I said, I looked up to him because you brought me out here, man.
No,
I appreciate that.
bro,
I really do.
Dude,
appreciate it.
When you said you were coming, I was like, damn, bro, because I used to see your videos all the time on Instagram. I was like, dude, man, like, I was like, it sucks that I have to leave and like.
Right there, I'm like, bro, all right, I'm out here, what's up? I gotta go. Man, bro, I got a message. I'm like, bro.
It's crazy.
All right.
I remember the same video you messaged me on.
Yeah.
It was the video where it was a winter storm video.
Yeah. Okay, he's tagging in Houston, that's why it's good. Please tag your stuff on Instagram or something like that, because people like me, I would never know. If he never tagged that, I probably never met him. I'll be off him tagging. He was the first one that came up when I hit Calisthenics in Houston. That's why he's been out with for a long time. You were the first one that came up. The first video.
That's crazy.
So that's crazy. So other people, you come in here, you probably gonna see his video first. But when I saw that, I was like, all right, I'm gonna come out. He said, I'm gone. But he was cool. He said, get up with what's the name? Hit this up. He told me get in the group. He said, get into this group. You fed me the group, and I got to get Alien, Sid, all of them. So it was like Mike and them, all of them.
That's
so appreciate it. We're gonna end it with one of my, I started this new segment. It's called a speed round. I got 5 questions for you. A or B. You gotta do them real fast and answer them really fast.
Okay.
All right, number 1, bench press or push up? Okay, all right. Rack pulls or deadlifts? Okay, all right. Lat pull downs or pull ups? Okay, CrossFit or calisthenics?
Nah, that's undisputable, calisthenics.
Okay, all right. All right, last one. Running? Running? I already know he is running. Biking?
Running.
Oh, good.
Yes.
I appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you coming through.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Appreciate everything you're doing up there in Colorado. I'm looking forward to you coming back because we still got more work to do.
Shout out Calisthenics Complex.
Appreciate you. Salute. Appreciate you. I'm going to end it the same exact way. I appreciate everybody who appreciates me. I still love everybody who hates me. I'm going to see y'all in the next one. All right?
Love, bro.